If the boat won't start, there are three things to check. Firstly, check the lanyard located below the key and make sure that it is plugged in, because if it has become accidentally unplugged, the starter motor will turn over, but the engine will not start. The second thing to check is to make sure that the boat is in neutral. Neutral is when the handle is perpendicular to the control box. If you are not sure if you are in neutral, then push the throttle all the way forward, turn the key on and hold it in the start position, slowly sliding the throttle back until you hear the engine start. Now you know that you are in neutral. If the boat stalls out on you and then won't start or idle properly, you've probably got air in the fuel lines. So between the fuel tank and the engine is a hose with a squeeze ball on it. Just go ahead and squeeze that 10 times, 15 times, whatever it takes to get that ball hard. That will force the air out of the system.